Alright, let's do it. Hey guys, Stephanie here, and I'm going to show you how to style and maintain your crochet hair while wearing the Gnarly Twist by Rasta Free. You look kind of familiar. No. Yeah, you do too. Just go ahead and subscribe now because you're gonna love this video. I'm just letting you know, and you're gonna want to check out the rest of my videos, so just subscribe. Why not? It's free. It is free. Okay, just subscribe. Go ahead, just do it. I'm gonna just give you a minute to do it. You did it? Okay, great. So now that that's over, thank you, I'm just gonna jump right into this video. Crochet styles are some of my favorite protective styles because 1, they're so easy to do, 2, they can look super natural, and 3, they're easy to maintain and they're easy to remove when you're ready for your next style. I've been wearing this crochet hair by Rasta Free for about 2 weeks now. It's called the Gnarly Twist, and I'm gonna post some clips of what it looked like when I originally put it in so you can see. It's just starting to lose its shape because I've been pulling on it, and it's starting to get a little tangled up here in the middle because I've just been doing a lot of this. So I'm just gonna go in and do some maintenance so I can get another week out of it. That's all I want. I'm sure I can get more than a week. I can probably wear this for another 2 weeks if I wanted to, but I just need a week. I'm gonna show you guys how I will refresh this hairstyle, and I'm going to show you a few more other ways you can style this Gnarly Twist by Rasta Free or any other crochet hair. See this right here? Like what is that? I don't know. That's my fault because I cut this horribly, but let's just do it. Let's do it. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys is straight from the pack. This is what the hair looked like after I installed it, without cutting it, without fluffing it, nothing. I don't have a lot of video footage of this hair in its natural state because I did manipulate it a lot after I installed it, but this is what it looked like straight from the package, and I encourage you guys to wear the hair the way it comes before you start customizing it. If you like it, just get a couple wears out of it in its natural state and then go ahead and customize it to your own liking. So this is the hair after taking it out of that bun. It is young and wild and free, okay? This hair is very tangled, but that's okay because it can be fixed. So the first thing I want to do when I take this hair out is take care of my hair underneath it. The whole point of wearing crochet as a protective style is to protect your hair so that it grows and stays healthy. So I want to go in with some oil and oil my scalp so that my hair is not all dry and brittle when I take it out. So I'm just going to take some oil. This oil here is from my friend, Zena. You can follow her on Instagram at Zena Did It. This is her Zena's Hair Crack. I love this oil. It really moisturizes my scalp and promotes hair growth. So definitely check her out because she is selling these and they are well worth having. So I'm just going in and putting oil in the parts of my hair. You have no excuse not to oil your scalp while you have crochet hair in because your hair is already parted. Your hair is already parted in the cornrows that you use to install the crochet hair, so you don't have no reason to say you don't have time, you don't feel like it. Girl, the work is done. All you have to do is separate the hair and get you some oil in between those braids. So now that your hair is moisturized underneath the crochet, we can start working on maintaining the crochet itself. So as you can see, the ends are kind of sticking together. So I'm just gonna go in and cut and shape this fro. Your crochet been in too long, you need to cut it. Going through your crochet, you just wanna get those pieces that may be super matted or super tangled up and cut them out. Like these little balls here, that right there, just cut it out. Especially at the end, especially around your neck, you want to cut all of that. I really love the way that this gnarly twist hair looks as it's getting older. It's looking more and more natural. From the very beginning, when I first installed the hair, I thought it looked like a natural hair twist style just by looking at the texture of the twist and the definition in this pattern. It looks like a twist style, and as I've been wearing it, it just gets bigger and bigger, just like a natural twist style would. And some of these pieces, like this one that's gotten really poofy, it's because I tried to separate it. But you don't really need to separate these twists. They separate themselves on their own, and they create their own volume without being manipulated. So if you do try this gnarly twist hair, I definitely suggest just leaving it alone and letting it work its own magic while you wear it. Another tip is to use a braid spray on your crochet hair. I have been using this Rasta-free braid sheen spray to add some moisture to this crochet hair. This can be used on natural hair or synthetic hair as well, and it definitely makes a difference. It has softened up this hair a lot and made it a little bit easier to manage. And here we have it, the final look. I just cut all of those straggly pieces off and created a shorter curly look, and I love it. It's still bouncy and flowy. She cute. This next style is super duper easy. It's called a pineapple. All you do is take this hair and flip it up. There are some pieces that may be too long in the front. Instead of cutting them and ruining the way your style may lay while your hair is down, you can just tuck that in. So I'm gonna go in here and tuck this into the elastic band just so that it's not in my face. And there you have it. This is the pineapple that I have been wearing all for the last 2 weeks. This is a perfect summer hairstyle for when you don't want a lot of hair on your back. Okay, last one. Alright guys, that's it. This is the final hairstyle that I want to share with you guys. It's just a half up, half down, good old high ponytail. This is probably my favorite look out of all of them, and I cannot wait to rock this for the rest of the week, y'all. Hopefully this video gives you some ideas on how you can style and maintain your crochet style. If it helps you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Tell me which hairstyle you like better. I know I didn't talk a lot about how I actually installed this hair, but it's so super easy and simple. I have another video on my channel showing you how I install crochet hair. I actually have a few videos, so if you want to check those out, you will see how I install different kinds of crochet hair. Once again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment which hairstyle you like best. sure you subscribe to my channel because, come on, we could be friends. We could be homies. Come on, like, why not? Why not? Why wouldn't you subscribe to my channel? Why? Comment below and tell me why you haven't subscribed. I just want to know. I just want to talk. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next YouTube video. Peace and love. That's it. It's a wrap. It's over.